Alright guys, I'm doing a review on these Kind bars. These are the Cashew Blueberry Vanilla. And let's take a look. So I have a bar out to show you guys, but here are the ingredients. If you guys want to read the box, pause the video. There you go. It does contain sugar. And there's a nutrient gram if you guys want to read it. Pause the video, 7 grams. Let's do a quick taste test. That's what they look like. And I'm going to open it up. Alright, so there is the bar. Let's give it a shot. It's not bad. It's kind of, this one's kind of dry. There's a lot of nuts in it. The blueberry flavor comes through a bit. I don't get any of the vanilla flavor at all. I actually prefer the other ones more. In my previous video, I think it was the chocolate one was better actually. It just didn't make it taste as dry. So if you have any questions or comments, guys, post them below and subscribe to the channel.